Kajal, this side.
Yeah.
Kajal.
Yeah, one sec. Yeah.
I
Hi,
can't see
Ajay
us,
ji.
so
Ajay sir.
everybody.
Ajay, yeah. Yeah. It's a very sentimental coincidence that your director's name, मतलब आपका namesake है. Vishal, it happens.
सोच समझ के हम लोगों ने कुंडली उंडली देख के चेक करके सब किया था.
Acha, we had seen you long back in Bhoot, again a supernatural horror film where you had performed very well. So you didn't have the inclination कि मैं इसमें cameo करूँ या face the camera करूँ.
नहीं, नॉट एट ऑल. आई थिंक हर फिल्म की अपनी कहानी होती है, अपने कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं. तो जो कैरेक्टर्स इस फिल्म में सूट करते थे उन्हें कास्ट किया गया. लाइक रौनक इज देयर एंड सो इट डिपेंड्स फ्रॉम फिल्म टू फिल्म.
Acha, Kajol ji, first of all, condolences for Ronuda's work.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, and your intensity is so impressive. Besides the excellent soundscape background, the amount of intensity that you have on screen is so gripping. मतलब जैसे कहते हैं ना रोंगटे खड़े होते, it's mind blowing. Did you prepare for this or it was just so spontaneous because you are a very spontaneous performer?
No, I don't believe in too much of a preparation. ये तो मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि मेरा preparation is more subconscious more than consciously sitting down on it. But I think that the film, the script, everything around it automatically contributed to that intensity. And I have to give credit to the director also, and I have to give credit to the camera, the photographer, and everybody involved. And अगर intensity आपको दिख रही है तो सब इन सब लोगों की वजह से भी है. So थैंक यू.
उनको ज़रूरत ही नहीं है प्रिपरेशन की. ये इतने सालों से मतलब कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. आप बस सेट पे आती है और हंसते खेलते एनर्जी लेकर आती है सेट पे. हम सबकी हौसला अफजाई करती है और जैसे एक्शन बोला वो अपने मूड में आ जाती है और हम देखते रह जाते हैं कि अरे वाह क्या.
लास्टली अजय जी और काजल जी, आप दोनों के लिए, जिस तरह से शैतान ने एक उम्मीदें और एक्सपेक्टेशंस ऑडियंस के दिलो दिमाग में बनाई है, क्योंकि एंगेज रखती है वो फिल्म, जिस तरह से उसका लोगों पर असर भी हुआ, काफ़ी लोगों ने पसंद किया, इससे भी काफ़ी उम्मीद है. तो किस तरह से ये फिल्म उससे भी बेहतरीन निकलेगी, किस तरह से ऑडियंस कनेक्ट कर पाके उसको एंगेज रखेगी फिल्म को, कितनी इंटरेस्टिंग होगी?
दो फिल्मों को कंपेयर कर नहीं सकते. कोशिश हमेशा यही रहती है. बाकी फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. आप देखेंगे, आप डिसाइड करेंगे, आपको पता चलेगा कि अच्छी है, कितनी अच्छी है.
Kajal, this one is for you. You are a mom to two beautiful children, and as me, as a mom myself, when I'm watching anything sensitive to children, it really bothers me. Like I will think twice.
Absolutely. That's half the reason actually. I think I stood on a stage and I spoke about Salam Venki at one point as well. And so yes, absolutely. As a mother, it is one of those things that I think it's every parent's worst nightmare, really, that you can think of. There's nothing worse that you can think of beyond that.
So when you are doing a film like this, like while shooting or reading the script, did it bother you any point of time? And it's hard as a mother.
It is definitely. And somewhere, I don't know whether it's, maybe it's a subconscious thing or whatever. I don't normally let it affect, you don't normally let it affect you in a shot. You tend not to. But somewhere down the line, things just somehow come easier. Emotions come easier, tears fall easier, all of that somehow when you feel like so connected to it and it's so real, yes.
My last question to you, last time you and I spoke, we spoke about, how Nisha was only 1 year old when you shot My Name is Khan. And, now we are talking about mothers who are wanting, new moms who are wanting an 8-hour shift in workspace, in industry, in the film industry. Right. What do you think as a mother? Do you think this demand is right and people reacting to it, it's not going down well with people? What do you think about this?
Well, I love the fact that if you can work less
But sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
It's not that it's not going well with. People understand.
A lot of
everybody's
people
roles.
do, because I know a lot of filmmakers are saying yes, please go ahead. And
Most of the honest filmmakers, I would say, will not have a problem with this. And apart from just being a mother and working for 8 hours, usually people have started working for 8 to 9 hours in a shift. So I think it's person to person, and most of the industry does understand all this.
मेरा सवाल काजोल मैम आपसे है. आज के ज़माने में मदरहुड के मायने बदल गए हैं. आपकी नज़र में माँ होने में और माँ बनने में क्या मतलब है?
अगर मायने बदल गए हैं तो मुझे लगता है कि ये सोसाइटी के लिए बदले होंगे, लेकिन अगर माँ जो है, जो शब्द है, उसका मैं यही कहूँगी कि जो माँ होती है वो माँ शी इज़ नेवर शी इज़ मेड, she is truly made, she is not born. You are not a mother just because you carry a child in your womb or you give birth to a child. You become a mother when you take care of that child, when you put that child's welfare above everything else, when you do everything in your power to take care of that child and to raise that child to the best of your ability. That is when you become a mother or become a parent. And I think that that has been there from time immemorial. That definition of mother cannot be changed and put into say that माँ जो होती है वो पहले ऐसी थी और अब ऐसी है, बिल्कुल नहीं. मुझे लगता है जो माँ होती है वो माँ थी, है और रहेगी, वो चेंज नहीं होगा कभी.
If I would ask you, you yourself are a mother, and while playing such a character and trying to portray to the world that माँ को सिर्फ sacrifices करते हुए नहीं देख सकते, she'll take a stand जब बच्चे पे आएगी. How difficult was it for you? And आपके real life के हिसाब से अगर मैं पूछूं, कोई ऐसे instincts थे while on the stage, while you were performing or while you were shooting, जो real life mother instincts आपके camera roll के time पे सामने आए?
Being a mom, I'm sure if you have, I don't know whether you have kids or not. Being a mom, being a parent, I would say, is very instinctive. I mean, instinctively, you do a lot of things that you would probably हाथ ऐसे जाता है. You'll protect you walk across the road, you'll automatically pull your baby closer. You'll, if you're sitting and if you're, if he or she's breathing wrong, something happened. So it's a very instinctive, it's a very, everything about that body next to you, that person next to you is very instinctive. And yes, we try to portray it on screen. And I'm hoping that, my subconscious was as strong as my conscious. And, I'm able to put that across. But yes, I think that when we talk about mothers and when we talk about protection, जो हम कहते हैं, it is not only about sacrifice. It is also definitely about standing up. It is, I think, I like they say, there's nothing more scary than a mama bear. So beware. Also, I will want to point this out, that horror films generally didn't have fantastic scripts, didn't have outstanding scripts. Bhoot did. But I'm just saying, if you looked at horror films, they didn't have the most mind-blowing storyline and like, okay, punch, 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 punch after this, surprise after surprise. I'm just saying that it didn't normally. I wouldn't say there were some exceptions, but most of them didn't have that. So I think that may have also contributed. Now, the kind of films that we are seeing now have a lot better storylines, better production-wise, in every which way, it's better. So if you're talking about अगर आज के दौर के बारे में कह रहे हैं तो शायद हम अच्छी पिक्चरें भी बना रहे हैं अभी.